An Axis print server with the new Axis AutoGo software is so easy to operate that practically anyone can do it. The assistant, the receptionist, even the CEO. Axis AutoGo software includes a new print system for Windows, as well as a new embedded web management tool for any TCP/IP network. The simplicity and the easy installation process are just two of the new features that distinguish Axis print servers from other competing products. You literally just plug and print. Let's walk through the process from plug-in to printout. This is how you install a printer which is already connected to the network to your printer's list. First, you go to the Available Network Printers tab and select the printer from the list. The presentation of printer model and manufacturer helps you to choose the correct printer. The second step is to give the printer a name. Then you just click Finish, and that is the end of your work. The system does everything else for you. When it's all done, a pop-up menu will appear confirming that the printer is successfully installed. If you want to verify the installation, you can visually see that the printer is added to the list. The printer driver is automatically assigned, and a Windows printer object is created. Believe it or not, this is all there is to it. Axis Print System actually searches for print drivers on the whole network. If none can be found, you will be asked to provide one separately. If you don't have automatic IP setting capability in your network, for example DHCP, you use the Axis IP installer, which easily guides you in manually setting the IP address. Then you select the serial number of the print server and enter the IP address. Press the Set IP Address button. The program automatically connects the print server and assigns the new IP address to it. The printer and the print server are now ready for the final installation step. Select your printer, then press Next and name the printer. Finally, you click Finish. The printer driver is now automatically assigned and a Windows printer object is created. As simple as a whistle. So now you're ready to go. As a network administrator, you can easily get an overview of the activity in your network and also easily prevent mishaps and jams with the Axis AutoGo software. For instance, should an error message occur on your screen, you can easily get a more detailed status report by using the Axis Print System. Job to a PCL printer, it will just print garbage. Having System Manager rights, you go to the Embedded Web Management tool, into Print Jobs, and simply delete the job. You solve the problem in the same way for all operating systems. With the new web pages in the Axis AutoGo software, you are in full control of your network situation at all times. Just take a look at the statistics. Here you can see the network traffic, which enables you to check, for example, sent and read information about the connections to different network servers and services. This could come in handy if you need to verify that a connection has been established. If for some reason a problem occurs that you can't solve yourself, Axis has the perfect solution for you, the server report. This provides you with a powerful tool to collect all necessary information when reporting the problem to Axis. The section status. Simply copy the information and email it to Axis together with a detailed problem description. Axis will then take care of the problem for you. Hence, you minimize the shutdown time. And of course, support is free at Axis. So you see that when using Axis AutoGo software, troubleshoot whatever Axis devices you have, the software is easily upgraded over the network. When new software is released, it is made available on the Axis website for download. Thus, you can always be up to date with your print server software and it is made simple using the Axis ThinWizard web-based management tool. This wizard gives you an overview of all Axis ThinServer devices, and it is seamlessly connected to the embedded web management tool. Let's take a look at how to upgrade the software. First, you press the Firmware Upgrade button. This is a page with links for more information on specific releases for the first-time user. Continue by pressing Next. Here you will get 3 different upgrade options. If you want the latest version from Axis, you press this button. After your selection, press Next. Now you have to select what devices you want to upgrade from the list provided. You can choose all of them or just a few. Then you press Next to get to the default login. Here you fill in user ID and password for the selected device. By pressing Next, you get to the box where you name the firmware job. To check that it's running, you go in under the event log. And after the upgrade is successfully completed, an email will let you know this. Now, was that easy or what? And now, a quick recap. Axis develops print servers that are exceptionally easy to use. The hardware is easy to plug in, the software is easy to install, easy to control, it is easy to convey troubleshooting information and get status overview. And the device management software Axis ThinWizard makes it possible to easily upgrade the software directly from the Internet. Axis has over 15 years of extensive experience in print server technology and listening to customer needs. This is the real secret behind the success of Axis. Making very complex devices, with Axis AutoGo software, you spend less time and hassle on networking a printer and more time printing. And users who purchase an Axis product should look for it to be used not only today, but years from now. This is what Axis offers. And that is the promise to you now and in the future.